What's good, everybody? I'm your boy Bino99, and today I got another unboxing for you guys. And of course, again, I don't know what's inside the box, so they're just gonna keep coming and coming and coming and coming and coming until we figure it out. Just playing. We still don't know what's inside of it really, but yeah, how y'all doing? I hope y'all having a blessed day. But we got a lot more sneakers to talk about really, so let's get right to it. And again, I do not know what's inside this box. Honestly, I don't know. So don't ask me, oh, what's inside this box? Like, how you not know if you didn't open it properly? Bruh, I don't know. Like, literally, it's a package. You just dump them there, leave them until you just open them the next day, which is right now, the next day. So, yeah, why don't we get started with this real quick. Ooh. Okay, what's this? No way. No way, bro. Yeah, y'all look at this. Y'all see this? Damn. We got that special Jordan 1 box. Oh shit. We got that special Jordan 1 box right here. But of course that's packaging. We usually don't see a lot from it, but yeah, that's a lot of dust. But damn, man, that's crazy. Look at this. Everything that Jordan did, from commercials to cards and all that stuff, into one box. Even has the tools on here, even has him jumping from the free throw line, animation, all that stuff is Jordan's itself to the last shots. But let's look inside. No way. No way, bro. No way. What? Hold up. No way, man. This is crazy. Yo, someone pinch me right now because I am dreaming. Got the Oregon 5s. Like, what? What? Bruh, that's crazy. That's absolutely crazy, man. And like, it has that perfect suede. Let me put this box to the side. Got that perfect suede. And yellow, green, and other stuff to it really. But this shoe is really good. It's amazing. And man, look at the insole too. Look at the insole. Look at this. That shit's crazy, man. Real crazy. Even the back. I mean, you don't have to care about this because that's not what we worried about. But look at that translucent. Look at that movable suede. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah, it looks alright. Yeah, this looks really good. And if I had my black light with me, I wouldn't see any problems with this. Like, this is a good shoe. No problems at all. So yeah, dope shoe. Really great. It smells great, even though yeah, it has that little bit of glue smell, but it's all good. It says quality products inspired by the greatest basketball player ever. Of course, MJ himself. But what y'all think of these? Do y'all rock with them? Do y'all still rock with them though? Let me know how y'all feel in the comment section below about these. But yeah, let me pull out the other pair. How y'all feel about them? They look really great to me. They look really good. And I just can't wait to rock them anywhere. Not in the hood though. Don't rock them in the hood. Depending on where you at right now. But yeah, these shoes is amazing. And can't wait to wear them. Man. We said enough about the kicks. Now let's get to this on-foot review. Let's go.